Hey guys, it's Luke. Sorry if our voice sounds a little different. We're sick, and also we went to a rave last night, so we were yelling. I'm still front stuck mostly. I think Andrew came out a little bit last night, and Pure did, because Pure was triggered by the noise, and Andrew was triggered by wanting to be social. We're doing good. We're gonna hang out with our sister-in-law and our brother today, who my sister-in-law knows, and I don't know if she's told my brother. I don't care either way. But, yeah. I don't know. I really want to finish the Systems as Vines Part 2, but also, like, I don't have any ideas. We have, like, 4 minutes of it, and our goal is 5 minutes. So, yeah. Also, you can see remnants of the makeup last night. That's fine. You know, looking a little emo. And that's Gucci. Yeah, we're gonna go shopping. Maybe get some coffee. Maybe get some books. Which we don't need more books. Oh my god. We have... I don't think we counted our books when we last sorted them, but we have so many on our to-read list right now that we had to make 2 piles. But it's fun. And yeah. Also, the book we're reading right now is Not Safe for Littles. So you have to be really careful reading it. It used to be Edge's book only, but we kind of got sick of being like, hey, I want to read, and I know if I read, then I'll distract you of reading, so... yeah. I want to ask, do y'all want more ASL related videos? Because we can do videos of us signing songs. We have actually had a plan to make songs based off of, like, each alter's personal experience with being in a system. Edge has already started doing his. But if you wanna see that, then it'd be cool. I don't think we have all the songs picked out. Yeah, we totally don't. But a lot of Cave Town songs. We have Lemon Boy for Edge. We have Dysphoric for me. I don't know the rest of them off the top. Oh, The Dark I Know Well from, what's that musical called? Spring Awakening for Julie. She really resonates with that song, and that's kind of concerning because we don't know of anything like that happening during our childhood, but you know. You know, trigger warning for that song. Like, it talks about sexual abuse and stuff. I don't think the kids have picked out any songs. They might do a thing together, but I know Yuri isn't too much of a team player, so she might do her own. We're just really passionate about ASL. I'm not too passionate personally, but I like it a lot, and I like that it's something that everyone has, like, kind of come together and been happy on. I am probably, like, the 3rd worst signer in the system, but we're planning on, in the future, interpreting and teaching sign language, and that's gonna be really exciting. and we just really want to be that little safe place of, like, trans teacher, you know, bisexual teacher, mentally ill teacher, because in our ASL, we had such a great 2 teachers for high school, and, like, I love them so much. I'm probably going to be helping out during classes with them a little bit. Might train under them for when I actually become a teacher. But it's just real fun, and we love doing that shit. I don't know if I want to say anything else. I don't know. Yeah, tell us if you want more signing videos. If not, we'll probably still make them. There's like 4 of y'all who watch videos regularly, so like, are you really gonna care? Yeah. Bye. Love you.